Toyota HiAce has a long-standing legacy as one of the most dependable vans in the world, initially launched in 1967. Over the decades, it has become popular for commercial use, with a reputation for durability and versatility.
The 2025 Toyota HiAce is positioned as a luxury van with a strong focus on comfort, practicality, and advanced technology. Its stylish new look, premium features, and reliable performance make it ideal for both high-end transportation services and businesses needing a practical, comfortable vehicle. The 2025 Toyota HiAce is positioned as a luxury van with a strong focus on comfort, practicality, and advanced technology. Its stylish new look, premium features, and reliable performance make it ideal for both high-end transportation services and businesses needing a practical, comfortable vehicle.
The LED headlights are likely to be sharper and more technologically advanced, providing excellent illumination and a touch of modernity. At the rear, the HiAce VIP is anticipated to maintain a clean and polished look, with LED taillights that complement the modern design language of the front. The rear bumper is likely designed to integrate seamlessly with the overall aesthetic, offering both style and functionality. The interior of the 2025 Toyota HiAce VIP is where the luxury truly shines. It is anticipated to offer plush, reclining leather seats with ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for all passengers. Premium materials such as leather, wood, and metallic accents are likely used throughout the cabin, enhancing the upscale feel. The dashboard is anticipated to feature a large infotainment screen with connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior layout focuses on both comfort and convenience, with plenty of storage spaces and charging ports for each passenger. The 2025 Toyota HiAce VIP is expected to come equipped with a powerful and fuel-efficient engine, likely a 3.5-liter V6 or a hybrid powertrain option. This setup would provide a balance between performance and economy, making it suitable for both urban driving and long-distance travel. The 2025 Toyota HiAce VIP is anticipated to have a premium price tag, reflecting its high-end features and luxury positioning. The starting price is likely to be around $70,000, but this could go higher with additional customization options or if equipped with a hybrid powertrain.